In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bracket order on Tradovate. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your chart and the asset that you want to trade. So for this example, I'm just going to use this one over here, the E-mini S&P 500. And then what you want to do is go to this trading panel just above your chart, and where it says ATM over here, as you can see right now, it's off. So if you want to actually add one, you want to click on the settings button over here, and you can already see you're going to have to put on the ATM name. So in this case, just click on the plus button and then give it a name. I'm going to name this one tutorial, and I'm going to click on OK. Now, as you can see here, you can show this in ticks, delta price, or dollar value. And down here where it says type, you want to select take profit, and stop loss is the type of our bracket order. Then from here, you want to add the take profit and stop loss. You can change it over here, either by clicking on these two buttons or manually by typing in whatever you want over here. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. And you also want to select your stop loss type. You have a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to leave it at stop. Then you can click on the save button, and whenever you've done this, you can see now ATM is off, but I can switch over to this tutorial one, which is kind of the preset I'm now using, and it's this one over here. Okay, so whenever you've done this, you can then just go ahead and buy or sell, and it's going to use your bracket order. So it's going to be a bracket order. If I do it like this, as you can see, if I click on, for example, buy
Order
over here,
filled.
it's going to trigger, and as you can see, there we go, it did exactly that. Okay, so that's the first way to make a bracket order. The second one is by going to the top left here and clicking on trading, and you want to go to advanced. Of course, you can set all these things over here, and then under ATMs, again, you'll be able to find your ATMs, and then the type, you can set it to take profit and stop loss, and you can go and set it over here as well, send the order through, and that's how to make a bracket order the second way on Tradovate as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.